The next thing that we're going to look at is how we can organize our entire company using the suite of tools to help our organization and management of files, projects, and even things like inventory and production control. Let's start off with leveraging probably one of my favorite tools that I use most often, and that is PDM. One of the best features of PDM has long been the integration with Windows Explorer. In 2021, we support the latest Windows 10 elements like the ribbon interface that's even better than before. While icons are visually appealing, the details mode of Windows Explorer is really where the power of PDM starts to reveal itself. Columns can define specific sets of visible properties that users can work with in this detail view. In PDM 2021, you can now customize these columns even further in more places and provide choices with multiple column sets. In this example, we're giving our user one of 3 column sets to navigate with, either this beginner, intermediate, or advanced. You can define these columns in more places, such as the quick search results. You can add, move, remove, or even rename, and you can define the permission of the view and the default preference per user or group. You can provide meaningful access to data for everyone. In 2021, you're going to see this new administrative permission that gives you more granular control over user ability to customize their columns. In this case, we might want to limit or force a specific column view on a specific set of users or specific set of groups. Like everything in PDM, this is completely configurable, so you can create your column sets exactly how you need and giving the people who need access to them the way that you want. I've been building workflows for many, many years, and as you build workflows, I think you're going to enjoy the new and updated icons for states and transitions in 2021. These help give you a better illustration of where you're at in the process and help you define your process flow with a better visual, so that way the contributors can recognize where they are at directly from the Windows Explorer interface. So gone are the days of choosing the 7 basic icons that you're used to seeing. Now let's do some design change inside this assembly, and let's see how PDM can help us understand our references as we manipulate both child and parent components of our assembly. In this case, I have the mount for the sensors and it's in the cost engineering state. I'm going to go ahead and help with redesign about this, but I want to see what's impacted references I should be aware of before I start actually changing this part. New in PDM Professional, the Treehouse View is now available in both the Where Used and the Contains tab. This visual reference can be printed, it can be exported to an Excel file with thumbnails, which also could become part of your change order documentation. A quick multi-select, and I can check out all the right parts and the assemblies and the drawings that I need to make the change. Now, fast forwarding, I've redesigned this bracket to use aluminum plates. I've converted this into a weldment and I've created a cut list. New in 2021, cut lists are fully supported in a PDM calculated bill of materials. Even the option called excluding from cut list is now taken into account. It's not just weldments that are better supported in 2021. Derived part references, like those created from things like insert parts or mirrors or 3D interconnected imported parts, are included as well. So you're getting a lot better support in the multi-body environment for calculated BOMs. Now let's go take a look at the bill of material and let's compare the bill of material from before I converted this to after the conversion. In this case, I've promoted the child components to the top level. And now when I look at the version history inside PDM, I can see that PDM is taking into account my modifications in the version history of this weldment. So I'm getting the true cut list at the top level bill of material. With the expanded configurability and increased performance in PDM 2021, I really think that your engineering teams and your production teams and your manufacturing teams are going to be able to go to that next level of design and organization management.